Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So I thought it would be actually kind of cool to do kind of like a soft kind of glam makeup look today using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I think you're gonna see a lot of soft glam palette makeup looks with this palette. So yeah, I'm like really excited. This palette's my favorite. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. So now I'm just going to go straight into my foundation. Now I already have concealer on, a little bit of concealer on. After I apply my foundation, I'm going to put another layer of concealer. So, but for foundation, I'm going to use the CoverGirl plus Olay Simply Ageless Foundation. And I figured out that I like using a brush like this for applying my foundation. This is the e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. So I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand and then just start applying the foundation. I'm going to go over the concealer as well. Okay, so before I set the foundation, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just lightly press it into the skin to kind of like just melt it into the skin. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the Physicians Formula corrector and concealer. So I'm just going to go right here and then also here. To blend that, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. So now that I applied the concealer, I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender and just press it into the skin. So I was completely out of my DIY setting spray and I finally made a new one, and I used the rest of I used the one of my Bath & Body Works fragrance mist bottle things. So I'm going to use that right now. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender again and just kind of press it into the skin. Now I'm going to go in with my Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the color Sunlight. And I'm going to go in with my Loreal Invisible Lift Cream Blush. This is in the color Peach Gold Lift. I'm just going to use my fingers to apply it. Fluffy brush just to blend the bronzer and the blush. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera because I realized that I forgot to do them. So I'm going to go in with my QC Makeup Academy highlight palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here called Lunar. Yep. And I'm just going to highlight here. So I normally would take a brush like that, and I wanted to try something else. I'm going to take this brush. So I'm going to take the same shade and just highlight the cupid's bow. So I'm going to start with my Bare Minerals Gen Nude eye primer. I actually need to get Okay, so what I did off camera before my camera died is I just used this brush to kind of blend the eye primer. And then we're going to use, since this is a soft glam look, I thought it would be really cool to use the soft glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So yeah, we're gonna start by applying this color, which is called Orange Soda. I'm going to take this brush from e.l.f. This is a crease brush. I'm going to take Orange Soda. I'm just going to apply that to the crease. Brush with another color. I'm going to go in with the color under it called Burnt Orange and apply that a little bit lower in the crease. Then for the lid shade, I'm going to take the color, Sultry, and I'm going to apply that on the lid. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera. I used a eyeshadow. I used this eyeshadow. This is the color Nar in the palette. And now I'm going to curl my lashes. So I normally wear 2 layers of mascara, but they're like 2 different ones. So I'm first going to go in with my Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. After that, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Okay, so before I do my lips, I like to go in with my finishing spray again. I'm just going to let that kind of dry before I apply my my lip liner and my lip gloss. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my lip liner. This is from NYX. This is in the color Natural. I'm just going to fill it in. Then I'm going to go in with my Handaiyan liquid lipstick in the this is number 6. And I just so yeah, I've been really liking this palette. This palette is probably one of my favorites that I have, and I really want to try to keep this clean, so I'm probably going to clean it after this. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!